Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the all-new 195 Sportfish from Scout Boats. Notice she has a 150 Yamaha on the back, jump seats on either side, nice seating and leaning post area here. The seat flips down and you have a live well built in underneath the seat. C-Star hydraulic steering. You also have a phone charger built into the dash, as well as the Fusion stereo and Yamaha gauge built in right in the center of the dash. Battery switch is tucked away right here. Got a little glove box as well. Nice storage above the T-top here for life jackets and a throw cushion. Moving forward, you'll notice in the console you've got great storage. One thing I do love about this boat is the forward seating on the 195. You have an anchor storage up front and a large box underneath this cushion here, as well as a cooler in front of the console. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100.